Hi, to set up VPN on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, as a first step, you would need to open Play Store and here find this Turbo VPN app. So install it. I downloaded mine and now we can open it. Here, agree with terms and conditions. Tap the continue button. And now we need to skip this free trial. We don't need it. And now to use VPN, we will need to tap this caret icon to connect to another server. So here, just accept everything you see on the screen, tap the consent button, and now it is finding the fastest server possible. So we are simply waiting. Let's skip the free trial again, and now we are connected to United States, Miami. We can also switch to another country, another city, if you just select it from the list. Like that, and now we are reconnecting to the Germany now, so simply wait a couple of seconds again. And now we are connected. Also, you can check it if you just take a look at this upper right corner, and here you'll find this VPN icon. Also, in this app you got a lot of advertising, so just don't worry, skip everything. And now let's tap here. And as you can see, we automatically disconnected, so if you want to reconnect, just tap this caret icon again. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.